Are you carrying an invisible burden? Yes, you are. Here I am talking about expenses. People recognize the visible burden of monthly house rent, but there are other overlooked costs such as OTT subscriptions, Wi Fi, mobile recharge, and various EMI payments. These expenses, though not immediately apparent, contribute to the overall burden. Companies create a deceptive image around these costs. Today, let us understand how business manipulate perceptions. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Introduction to wallet share. Wallet share or share of wallet involves companies strategically targeting a portion of an individual's income without their objection. Despite it being the individual's money, corporations plan and execute strategies to extract this share without encountering resistance. Analyzing wallet share tactics. The concept isn't a conspiracy, rather, it is a strategy which involves creating products and services that subtly encourage increased spending. For instance, toothpaste tubes with larger openings prompt more frequent purchases, and a 28-day mobile recharge plan leads to more charges than a monthly plan. The objective is to secure a share from consumers' income without their awareness. Wallet share versus investment share. To avoid falling into the wallet share trap, individuals should focus on maximizing their investment share for the future. Need versus desire. This entails distinguishing between essential needs and discretionary expenses. It includes recognizing the subtle strategies employed by companies. For example, once the Netflix company mentioned that their biggest enemy was sleep. Here, the business strategy is to reduce customer sleep hours. Similarly, the Coke company said that its first competitor was water, which means Coke positioning itself as a substitute for water. By being vigilant and distinguishing between necessary and discretionary spending, individuals can avoid succumbing to the wallet share trap set by corporates and prioritize maximizing their investment share for future financial well-being. Next, non-essential expenses. A brief examination of our monthly expenses allows for easy identification of unnecessary costs in our daily lives. Let us look at a few of them here, like smoking, soft drinks, and OTT subscriptions. Smoking is a universally agreed upon unnecessary expense, and the funds spent on it could be redirected towards more critical financial goals. Cost of a cigarette pack is rupees 300. Monthly 15 packs cost rupees 4500. Let us assume inflation of 12% per annum. So total expenses for 30 years is 1.3 crores. If this money is redirected to an equity fund, the potential gain under different scenario is stabilized. Monthly SIP 4500, annual step-up SIP 12%, tenure 30 years. Even a moderate return of 8% per annum yields you a corpus of rupees 2.89 crores. This illustrates how an insignificant expenditure like smoking can be transformed into a valuable investment. The cost of 2.25 liters Coke bottle is rupees 100. 4 bottles in a month cost rupees 400. If inflation is assumed as rupees 6%, then the total expenses for the next 30 years would be 3.79 lakhs. If this amount is invested in a mutual fund earning a return of 12% per annum, accumulates a corpus of rupees 23 lakhs. Next, OTT subscription per month is rupees 650. Assuming an inflation of 8% per annum will cost rupees 8.83 lakhs for the next 30 years. If this amount is invested in a mutual fund earning a return of 12% per annum, accumulates a corpus of rupees 46.03 lakhs. Small flowers collectively create a magnificent garland. Similarly, redirecting attention to unnecessary expenses trapped in the wallet share scheme and channelizing them towards investment can lead to substantial financial growth. Indeed, it is the accumulation of small changes and choices that can transform our finances into a beautiful and flourishing garland. It is a reminder that paying attention to seemingly minor aspects can make a significant difference in our overall financial well-being. Warren Buffett's principle: do not save what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving. This guidance emphasizes prioritizing savings or investments by setting aside a predetermined amount from income before spending on needs and wants. By focusing on saving first, individuals can ensure their financial goals are addressed while maintaining controlled spending on other aspects of life. The misconception often lies in thinking that falling into the wallet share trap is solely about spending. Buffett highlights that the key is not just spending but rather neglecting the essential virtue of saving. Establishing a clear savings priority allows for more intentional and organic spending of the remaining amount. In conclusion, the modern business landscape employs various tactics to extract maximum funds from consumers. While utilizing these services is unavoidable, customer awareness is crucial in combating these exploitative practices. Understanding the concept of wallet share is the first step, and the consumer must remain vigilant against tactics that negatively impact both the environment and personal finances. Being self-aware empowers individuals to take a moral stand against brands that betray customer trust, fostering a more responsible and informed consumer culture. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.